Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. Yeah, that's me out there. Hey, if you're interested in some lawn care motivation, um, then just keep watching. Guys, I've been watching so many mowing channels like lawn care, people going out and cutting the grass for folks, finding abandoned houses and cutting grass. Have you heard of Al Blaze? I mean, he is like the best. I love his channel. He does a lot of lawn care. He has his own lawn care service, but he does get back to the community by going out and finding someone's property who's it's overgrown and they haven't been able to take care of it, and he'll cut their grass. He doesn't just cut the grass. I mean, this man cuts the grass. He's out there. What I really like about him is how he edges the lawn. I have a weed trimmer, a weed whacker, and I'm going to try that. Actually, I tried it in this area back here where you see me for like a couple seconds, and the weed whacker went out on me. Al, tell me what to do. I hit it on the ground several times. The string is gone. We're gonna have to take it apart to see what's going on with this thing. But if you're watching these mowing channels, I absolutely love these channels. There's a guy, a family, I think it's a father-son team, M&D Lawn Care, that I like. I think it's Blessed Boys or Blessing Boys. There's a guy over in Australia that I've been following, but I'm like riveted to these lawn care videos. So I'm sitting there and I'm watching Al do his thing. I think Al's in Florida, and he is cutting down some trees, like really trimming them down. And they have these huge palm trees and everything down there. And he goes in and he turns these yards around. I mean, they are super, super beautiful. Now, we don't have anything overgrown like that up here in my yard. As a matter of fact, the guy who cuts the grass was just out there today, but he doesn't cut the grass. He doesn't really do much of anything else. As far as your other things go, you'd have to really get like a real landscaper to come out and trim your shrubberies, cut back trees, and what have you. What I'm cutting back over there today it's really my neighbor's tree that's hanging over. So I'm just trying to clean it up a little bit because I noticed that when we put our garbage cans on that side, I'm getting less and less room because the trees, his trees are really like growing out. So I was just making an attempt to cut it back a little bit. We'll have to get the overhang later on. I wasn't tall enough to reach that, but I was using this electronic weed whacker. It's not a weed whacker. I guess it is an electronic weed whacker. I'll show it later on in the video, but I just picked that up a couple weeks ago, and I absolutely love it because it's letting me really trim my shrubbery. Before, I used to go out and cut the hedges with the big hedge clipper, the manual hedge clipper, and my arms used to be so tired. So I got this electronic thing, hedge clipper, I guess what it's called, and it's so much easier to use. But anyway, we got the grass cut today, but this area back here just really needed some help. I did a little bit, and a lot of this I did off camera too. Then I went to the front just to touch up the hedges. I had clipped them, I don't know, maybe a month ago or so, and using my new toy, my electronic that hedge clipper. It's not electronic because there's a battery pack there. This thing makes light work of everything. As I said before, I used to use that manual hedge clippers, and my arms would be so sore. But Al, tell me, how do you do it? How do you make them so straight? How do you make the hedges so straight and so beautiful? Guys, watch Al's video. I mean, he goes through these hedges and trims them up, cuts them down, and they look absolutely beautiful. I did the best I could out there. I was trying to watch out for spiders and anything else. Well, and poison ivy. I thought I saw some poison ivy once before back there, and hubby kind of went in and sprayed. But I hope he got it all. But that's the reason why I had on the long sleeve shirt, and at one point I had a mask on too because I was trying to keep the gnats from going up my nose, and I had my big glasses. I couldn't find my goggles, so I just put the big glasses on to keep the gnats and bugs out of my eyes. But I did the best I could with these hedges. You know, I'm only 5'3". I really needed a ladder to really get into them. But you'll see I'm going in and doing the best I can. You know, I'm not an Alblaze, but I am doing the best that I can. And they really did clean up a lot. It really did clean up a lot. And it's so easy with this hedge clippers. It's so easy. Tell me how do you do your hedges? Are you using a manual hedge clippers, or what to use to trim your hedges? This thing has really made a difference for me. But you know what's funny is watching these mowing and lawn care videos. To me, is like watching those cleaning videos. You know, you watch videos and people are cleaning their homes and going from room to room. It really is inspirational. You watch the cleaning videos, you want to get up and start doing some cleaning around your house. Well, that's what happens when you watch these videos of people, these guys out here mowing lawns. And they are mowing some lawns, and they are sometimes up to their hips in tall grass and weeds and everything. Frankly, I'd be afraid to do it, but I guess somebody's got to do it. One of the good things about watching those guys is you can see how they do get back to their community. I think that's wonderful. I don't plan to go out and do that in my community, but I mean, there is one neighbor I think I'd like to trim his hedges, but that's another story for another day.
going to have to mulch. I thought I was going to use my leaf blower to blow away some of those leaves, but when I did, I started blowing, it started to also blow away my mulch. So I'm going to just refreshen the mulch a little bit. By the way, this portion of the video is sponsored by superclean, and I'll leave some information about their product in the description box.
Superclean. Superclean makes a super duper degreaser. I absolutely love this product. I used it on my car. I use their superclean all-wheel cleaner. It foams away grime and brake dust. Super easy, super fast, super clean. That's right, guys, super clean. I'll leave the information to the super clean products in the description box.
Okay guys, so I freshened the mulch. So I'm just gonna put these little lights back out there again. They're like little fake rocks, and they're solar. And they're pretty good. I got these from Job Lots, Ocean State Job Lots. So I have 4 of them. So I'm just going to put these back out here again, just to lighten up the walkway. And they're pretty good too. They are pretty good. They do kind of give you enough light for the walkway. I have 4 of them. The 4th one is over there. Anyway, thank you for stopping by Life on Greenwood as we try to use my new toys and hit these bushes and stuff. I'm beat. This is the best I could do. This is my best imitation of Al Blaze. If you haven't seen Al Blaze on YouTube, check out his channel. I love this guy and his the work he does in the community. But his lawn mowing skills are the best. Anyway, I'm going in. I really do need to get a shower and stuff. So, guys, thank you so much for stopping by Life on Greenwood, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.